How to increase PHP's upload max file size using CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Scroll down. Now click Select PHP Version icon. Then click the Options menu. If this Options page shows a warning message related to the PHP native version, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. Scroll down. The maximum size of an uploaded file is 2 megabytes. Change the size as per your requirements. Scroll down. Success! The upload max file size value has increased. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.